How far can your outsourcing partner take your business? Let's find out. Outsourcing does more than fill in vacancies for a fraction of the cost of hiring locally. In fact, you can hire a remote team to handle the work of an entire department, like in e-commerce, for instance. Operations management outsourcing solutions offer a simple and effortless way to scale businesses of any size. Here are a quick look at how OMO works for you using call centers in the Philippines as an example. All roles, from the operations manager to data analyst to customer support, are easily sourced using a BPO partner. They tap into the diverse and readily available labor market to source workers, giving you resources to scale as needed. BPO partners can also handle HR and finance-related tasks like hiring, accounting, and payroll to manage your team. This leaves your hands free to focus on your business, knowing that daily operations are always taken care of. The global shift toward digital marketing means you can outsource entire departments to improve your online reach. Many companies are already leveraging outsourcing to fulfill their content creation, social media management, and video production needs. Looking for an OMO partner? You need someone who goes above and beyond for clients. Unity Communications is an ISO-certified BPO company with a track record of client and employee satisfaction. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.